Happiness is washing over customers at Soaps and Suds in Ghent.
This program here is like my life because I'm about love.
In this case, laundry love.
It builds them up. It's exciting, you know, it makes them feel good.
Carol and Akia have worked at Soaps and Suds for 5 years combined. They see a change in customers once a month when the ministry from St. Andrews and First Lutheran stop by for laundry love.
It's what we're called to do as people of faith, is to help each other, to spend time with each other, to get to know people that we might not get to spend very much time with.
It's an organization that helps low-income and homeless members of the community do their laundry. The concept is simple. Customers are handed out free laundry cards worth $15, a chance to do their load at no cost to them.
It's really a vehicle just to get to know our neighbors.
I got a free $15 on laundry card.
For Cherie Horton, the saying, "nothing in life is free," does not apply today.
I'm very grateful for that.
She's using the program to wash clothes for her family. Sometimes it can cost upwards of $70.
I come here to get help because I need the extra help.
She says sometimes she simply can't afford to wash her clothes.
If we can go and save our money and go buy some food or something with.
Or buy her 2-year-old daughter shoes.
People feel like when they have someone that cares for them, help them keep themselves clean, they feel more respectful of themselves and others.
People here forming friendships over a fresh load of laundry and a lot of, you guessed it, love.
It feels good when we go home, we have clean clothes.